Enhancing productivity and creativity of iPhone 16 Pro Maximum. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just a smartphone, it's a powerful tool for maximizing productivity and unleashing creativity. Let's explore how this device empowers users to accomplish more and express themselves in new and exciting ways. Seamless transition between devices, with features like handoff, continuity camera, and universal clipboard, the iPhone 16 Pro Max ensures a seamless transition between devices. Start a task on your iPhone and effortlessly pick it up on your Mac or iPad, allowing for uninterrupted workflow and productivity across all your Apple devices. Utilizing continuity features like handoff, AirDrop, and universal clipboard make it easy to share content and collaborate across devices. Whether you're editing a document, browsing the web, or composing an email, continuity features ensure that your work seamlessly syncs between your iPhone 16 Pro Max and other Apple devices. Maximizing entertainment options. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a wealth of entertainment options to suit every taste and interest. From streaming movies and TV shows on Apple TV Plus to playing immersive games from the App Store, this device provides endless opportunities for relaxation and enjoyment. Accessing support services. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with access to a wide range of support services to help users get the most out of their device. Whether you need technical assistance, troubleshooting tips, or advice on how to use a specific feature, Apple's support services are there to guide you every step of the way. Unlocking creative potential. The advanced camera system of the iPhone 16 Pro Max unlocks new possibilities for creativity and expression. With features like Night Mode, Deep Fusion, and Pro RAW support, users can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition, allowing for artistic expression and storytelling like never before. Exploring Apple services. The iPhone 16 Pro Max seamlessly integrates with Apple's suite of services, including Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, and iCloud. Whether you're streaming music, watching exclusive content, playing games, or backing up your data, Apple services enhance the entertainment and productivity capabilities of your iPhone 16 Pro Maximum. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a smartphone, it's a versatile tool for enhancing productivity, unleashing creativity, and enjoying entertainment. Whether you're working, creating, or simply relaxing, this device offers a wealth of features and services to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. 6. Environmental commitment and sustainability. Apple's environmental commitment and sustainability initiatives play a pivotal role in the development and production of the iPhone 16 Pro Maximum. Let's delve into the various aspects of Apple's environmental efforts. Reducing carbon emissions. Apple is dedicated to reducing its carbon footprint across its entire supply chain and product life cycle. Through investments in renewable energy projects, energy efficiency improvements, and carbon offset programs, Apple aims to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed and manufactured with energy efficiency in mind, utilizing low-power components and optimizing energy usage to minimize carbon emissions during production and use. Materials sourcing and recycling. Apple prioritizes the use of recycled and responsibly sourced materials in the production of the iPhone 16 Pro Maximum. By incorporating recycled aluminum, tin, and rare earth elements into its products, Apple reduces its reliance on virgin resources and minimizes environmental impact. Additionally, Apple implements innovative recycling programs, such as Daisy, a robot that disassembles iPhones to recover valuable materials for reuse in new products. Renewable energy. Apple is committed to powering its operations with 100% renewable energy. Through investments in solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources, Apple's facilities worldwide run on clean, sustainable power. This includes manufacturing facilities, data centers, and retail stores, all of which contribute to Apple's goal of achieving carbon neutrality. Water conservation and waste reduction. Apple prioritizes water conservation and waste reduction in its manufacturing processes. By implementing water-saving technologies and recycling programs, Apple minimizes water usage and reduces waste generation. Additionally, Apple works with its suppliers to implement responsible waste management practices, ensuring that materials are reused, recycled, or disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner. Product longevity and repairability. Apple designs its products to last and encourages repairability to extend their lifespan. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is built with durable materials and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability and longevity. Furthermore, Apple provides repair options and resources to enable users to repair and maintain their devices, reducing the need for premature replacement and minimizing environmental impact. Eco-friendly packaging. Apple is committed to reducing packaging waste and environmental impact. The packaging for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is made from recycled and responsibly sourced materials, and Apple continually explores ways to minimize packaging size and optimize transportation efficiency. Additionally, Apple designs packaging with recyclability in mind, making it easier for customers to dispose of responsibly. In summary, Apple's environmental commitment and sustainability initiatives are woven into the fabric of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, ensuring that it not only delivers cutting-edge technology, but also minimizes its environmental impact. From reducing carbon emissions and materials sourcing to renewable energy and waste reduction, Apple is dedicated to creating a more sustainable future for generations to come.